Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into how to create a portfolio website that not only looks stunning, but also attracts clients in 2025. And don't worry, we're not gonna waste 4 hours talking about the history of hero sections or showing you the same 4 tasks in different ways. You've got stuff to do, and so do I. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of building a portfolio or by those long, boring tutorials, this is for you. I'll quickly show you how to become a master of Squarespace, a builder that's perfect for creatives looking to showcase their work, whether it's photography, videography, or web design. Let me show you. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me tell you what you'll actually need to build a portfolio in the first place. And no, to build a portfolio website, you can throw in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all those scary sounding words right out the window. It's not the 90s anymore. Just like you're not calling your friends on a rotary phone, you shouldn't be stuck coding everything from scratch. Use a modern tool and skip all the grunt work. I'm going to show you how to make a portfolio in a few hours, not a few days. And all you need to know is how to grab Squarespace's responsive portfolio builder for the cheapest price. Would you look at that? If you click the link below or scan the QR code, the best deal gets applied automatically. Now, here's a pro tip. After you set everything up, go and grab a subscription so you're guaranteed the discount is locked in. Squarespace lets you start completely free, but you can't actually publish your site on a free plan like Wix allows. That's why it's best to grab a plan as soon as you can. Once you're in, choose your portfolio website template. Squarespace is the undefeated champ here, offering tons of professional minimalist themes that instantly make your work stand out. Just pick a template that matches your vibe, and trust me, no one will think you only spent 10 minutes on the design. A portfolio should pop, and these templates do exactly that. And hey, it's not just me hyping them up. Squarespace has actually won multiple design awards for its sleek, modern look. Once you've found the one, it's time to roll up your sleeves and make it yours. Customize the layout, swap the demo content with your own stunning images, drop in your bio and text, and start uploading those awesome projects. The drag and drop controls make it super easy, and most themes only need minor tweaks. I also really like the element selection that Squarespace offers, including advanced stuff like a built-in SoundCloud player. Take your time here, but don't overthink it. A modern portfolio should be clear, creative, and easy to navigate, not a wild circus with 30 animations going off at once. Okay, let's get to the main event, filling your portfolio with the incredible work that makes you, well, you. This is where you really get to show off, so let's do it right. My number one rule here, give each project its own space to breathe. Instead of cramming everything into one long, overwhelming page, your first move should be creating a separate, dedicated page for each major piece you're proud of. Think of it like giving each project its own gallery wall. It keeps things clean and helps potential clients focus on one masterpiece at a time. Plus, it's great for SEO. Since a single page can only target 2 or 3 main keywords, having more pages means more coverage, but we'll dive into SEO a bit later. Once you have your project page set up, step 2 is to fill it with your absolute best, highest quality images and videos. Don't hold back. The platform doesn't crush the quality of your uploads, so what you put in is exactly what visitors will see. That said, there is a 20 megabyte limit per image, which I'm not a huge fan of since most of my own photos go over that. But here's the thing, every large file has to load each time someone visits your site. 5 photos at 20 megabytes each means your visitors are trying to load 100 megabytes on a mobile network. That's painful. What I'm getting at is show restraint. It's all about finding the sweet spot between quality and usability. And if you're wondering how to create a web portfolio for videographers, Squarespace has you covered. Unlike a lot of other website builders that only let you link YouTube videos, Squarespace actually allows you to upload your 4K videos directly in full quality. Now, there are some limits. Background section videos can be up to 500 megabytes. Standard video uploads can go up to 5 gigabytes, and video length is capped at about 30 minutes. I say limits, but honestly, think about it. What kind of portfolio piece really needs a 5 gigabyte file to load? That's massive. So while it's amazing that Squarespace lets you host high quality video straight on their platform, always keep your users' experience and loading times in mind. Finally, while your work can speak for itself, context is what seals the deal. For your third step, write a short, punchy description for each project. If coming up with the text feels tricky, don't stress. Squarespace AI can help you shorten, expand, or polish what you already have. The best part? It's completely free, so you can regenerate as many times as you want until it feels right. Now, here's something important. While a lot of text is great for SEO and helps your site rank better, remember that most real visitors don't read everything. Focus your energy on the text people will definitely see, like titles, intros, or captions, and make those sections shine. Next, let's tackle a step that sounds way more complicated than it is, making sure people can actually find your stunning portfolio. We're talking about SEO, or search engine optimization, which is basically leaving a trail of breadcrumbs so search engines like Google can lead your dream clients right to your digital doorstep. Now, SEO can get insanely complex and even experts debate over what works and why, but for us, the basics are enough. Use relevant keywords throughout your site, in page titles, descriptions, and even image captions. Think like your ideal client. What would they type into Google? Instead of something generic, be specific but not too obscure. For example, if you specialize in sleek modern designs for online shops, a keyword like web design portfolio for fashion stores works way better than just web design. If you're a photographer, highlight your style and location, like wedding photography portfolio, Los Angeles. Sure, it narrows your reach a bit, but it also makes you more visible where it counts because there's less competition. And while you're getting your site ready for its close-up, don't forget the easiest win of all, social media integration. This one's a must. Adding links to your social profiles throughout your site gives visitors a real sense of your personality and work. Also, make sure every image in your portfolio has an alt tag. These are crucial for ranking in Google's image search. Next, activate AMP. This feature helps your portfolio's mobile version rank higher automatically. Finally, spend a little time on the SEO page. Read a few articles, double check that you've covered everything Squarespace recommends, and your chances of landing on Google's first page will grow exponentially. All right, creatives, let me unlock one of the platform's best kept secrets for you. Email campaigns. Don't sleep on this, it's not old-fashioned. If you're sending boring newsletters, then sure, it feels outdated, but with Squarespace, you can create campaigns that look incredible. You can quickly add a sign-up form to your site and design stunning emails in minutes. Use it to announce new projects, share behind-the-scenes content, or offer exclusive prints. It's basically like sending a mini gallery straight to your audience's inbox, keeping you top of mind. Just remember, less is more. Even the best tool can turn into spam if you don't use it wisely. Next, don't let the word analytics scare you. Sure, there are a lot of numbers, but once you spend a minute getting familiar with them, this page will feel like a second home. Squarespace Analytics shows you exactly who's visiting, where they're coming from, whether it's Instagram or Google search or even a friend's link, and which pages they love most. If you notice tons of visitors flocking to a blog post about your creative process, that's your cue to make more content just like it. My motto is simple: track, analyze, optimize. Use it and your clients will follow. Finally, let's turn your passion into profit with e-commerce. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to launch a beautiful online shop. Whether you're selling physical paintings, digital downloads, prints, or even services like one-on-one workshops, you can set it all up in no time. Just add a storage page, connect a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, and start uploading your product. Hey, if you found this how to create a website video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And there you have it. You've just built and learned how to create a portfolio website quickly and efficiently with Squarespace. See, no need to dive into the history of the web or obsess over the perfect site structure. We built something modern without all that extra noise. Just remember, your portfolio is the star, so focus on showcasing your very best work. There's always more you can optimize with Squarespace, but I'll leave that in your capable hands. Before you dive into building your portfolio, don't forget to check the links in the description for discounts. So, tell me, what's the most influential factor for you when choosing a provider? Is it pricing, ease of use, or security? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and while you're at it, share your portfolio links too. I'd love to check them out. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next one.